All right, we're on deck 10, coming down to our room here at 274. We are in a standard balcony room. Now, if you notice right here, as you first walk in, you have to have a card here to keep the lights on. There's a mirror, stand-up mirror, right as you walk in. A couch that they can make up into a bed. It's plenty big enough for a twin-size bed. A nice little desk here with a nice cushion chair. I love this chair. It's a nice little velvety cushion chair. And there are 3 different outlets, 2 European outlets, a USB and a USB-C, and lighting here, vanity lighting on the mirror. So you can also bring a travel adapter if you want extra outlets. For the European outlet, you can bring you a travel adapter and have an extra outlet set. So right here is a hanging closet for all your hanging clothes. And then 4 drawers, 4 different chest of drawers. There's a hair dryer in the top drawer here. This is your refrigerator. It's more like a cooler. It's not, doesn't get super cold, and it even says that in there. So, but that's still nice to keep some bottles of water in there. And then the other cabinet right here, you got some other cabinet space in here, and your safe in here. And then 2 drawers down here at the bottom. And then we brought these magnetic hooks. I always recommend bringing magnetic hooks because it really helps to give you some organization in your room. Couple of hooks already in here. I don't use these too terribly much because they're kind of low to the floor, but if you want to hang like a hat or something on them, those are great as well. And then obviously your TV right here in front of your king size bed. And they can split this bed up into 2 twin beds if you need that. Now on either side of the bed has an outlet, and it says USB, but it's actually a USB-C. So those are on both sides, and 2 little shelves. So you have that on both sides of the bed. Now this phone is always in the way for me, so I usually just take this phone and put it down here in the bottom cubby when I'm sleeping at night. But you got, like I said, your USB-C and an outlet on both sides of the bed. And then light switches right here to turn off the room lights next to your bed. Yeah, so neither outlet or USB-C on either side of the bed were working. So I plugged up my phone and didn't realize until this morning that my phone wasn't charged completely. And I say this because this is not the first time this has ever happened to me on a cruise ship before. So I say this to remind you to always check and make sure that your phone is charging when you plug it up, because sometimes their outlets are not working. I've had them over at the desk not working sometimes, but in here, neither one of them by the beds are working. And a really nice looking balcony room. Hold on, we will go look at the balcony here in just a second, but first let's take a look at the bathroom. So you really feel like you have a lot of space right here with the bathroom kind of at an angle. It's really kind of open through here. And then here is your bathroom lights. Air control right here. And the bathroom. Nice stand-up shower as you first walk in. And I feel like it's a little bit more room right here because of how they've angled the shower. And then nice little shelving area right here. I like the long shelf right here next to the sink. I love these square sinks because it really kind of feels like you get a little bit more room. And then the design right here, it's really pretty. I like that. But then there's 3 shelves right here on the side. And then you got plenty of room down here underneath the sink if you need more shelving space. Okay, all right, now let's go take a look outside. Obviously hanging toiletry bag. These are some that we always bring with us. I always recommend bringing hanging toiletry bags because it always helps keep you organized. All right, let's take a look outside. This is a really nice looking balcony area. It comes with 2 chairs and footstools with each chair and a little table. And the chairs do recline back if you want to recline the chairs back as well. But you have pretty nice little space right through here. pretty open, nice little area for 2 chairs and to sit out here and watch the sunset. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what room you're going to be staying in on the Utopia of the Seas. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.